light and pride that lives for you. That your mother's life, your father's eyes can't hide. You had no choice, didn't ask the dice to fall for you. Still your courage comes like thunder